Good morning, class 8. Today our topic is population change. We know that the total number of people living in a country or a particular region is not always fixed. It keeps on changing from time to time due to several reasons. These changes in the number of people living in a particular area during specific time is known as population change. These changes happen in either increasing or decreasing the population due to several factors. These factors are components of population change, and their main components are birth rate, death rate, and migration. There are steady and slow growth of population up to 1880. The total estimated population of the world was about 100 crores in 1820. In 1970 the population was about 300 crores. In about 150 years, the population increased 3 times. After 30 years, it was 2080, the total population of the world was about 600 crores. Here we notice that there is a consistent growth of population, and today it is taking place at a rapid rate. Now, the birth rate is normally defined as the total number of live births per thousand population in a year. Same way, death rate is defined as the total number of deaths per thousand population in a year. Migration means the movement of people in and out of a particular area. In the birth rate, if the birth rate is in a particular area is more than the death rate, then there will be a natural growth, or the population will be keep on increasing. If the death is not increasing, that there will be increase. If the death rate is more than the birth rate, then the population will decrease. Now, when there was corona, we have seen that the death rate was too high, and that time many population of the world have decreased. As medicines have been discovered in every time, we have seen that when there is any new virus or any new germs or any new you can say disease arises, then there is a high death rate, high in death rate. As you all have faced the corona year, so you have understood that during that time, as there was no medicine for that disease, so the death rate was high. As soon as the medicine have been discovered and people have been given out those medicine, the death rate has decreased. So if there is increase in death rate, then the population will not increase. People can move from one part of the country to another, or any other country to other country. Those who come into the region or country, those are known as immigrants, and those who leave the country and move to other regions, those are known as emigrants. The people normally migrate within the country or from one country to another in search of work, better employment opportunities. It has been noticed that there is a large-scale migration from the underdeveloped and developing countries to developed countries, where already everything is developed. People move to in those places. Now, in early stages, before 800, the birth rate was very high, but the death rate was also high. This was due to the lack of proper health facilities. The total population of food was not enough to provide food to all the people. Thus, the change in or increase in the population was very slow and steady. In latter stages, faster growth of population was recorded. It was due to the declining of the death rate. As the food supplies improved, proper health facilities were available, the birth rate remained fairly high. Rate of increase or decrease of population is not the same in all the countries of the world. It varies greatly and depends upon the facilities that are available in those countries. Some countries have developed a scheme of family planning, thereby restricting the number of children in a family. This step was taken out to stop the country with overpopulation, because they have put a margin in population, because not because, so that every people of the country can have a good healthy life in every aspect.